Bueno, no había hecho un update sobre esto hace rato, y an update of this tomato clone. So this is the baby plant that you see in the video. I'm gonna post a picture here. Move the main plant around. Vamos a la podemos ver que tenemos that seedling here. It already has tomatoes. As you can see, the pear tomatoes. Ya tiene tomates, como pueden ver, son tomates pera. And this one right here, the next one here, is the clone. One of the clones that I put right next to it. Yeah, and remember that there were two plants right there. Habían dos plantas ahí. That one right there. Tenemos esas dos plantitas de tomate. So we're gonna keep those maybe in the same pot for now. Well, I moved the other one, and the other one is right here. Ya, esta es la otra planta chiquitita que tenía al lado. So that's it. That's one plant, that's the other plant, and behind there is the clone. El clone, una planta y la otra planta. Eso.